Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Chevy Express van only way. Start by testing the driver's door handle and key fob battery, then move to the passenger door, check the manual unlock lever, and finish at the rear latch using the interior release procedure I demonstrate step by step. I explain common mistakes, show required tools, and emphasize safety such as parking brake, wheel chocks, and keeping spare keys accessible. Begin at the driver's door, where most problems are solvable with simple checks and small tools. Remove the fob cover to inspect the battery and test the manual key action while applying gentle, steady pressure to the handle. If the lock cylinder turns but the latch does not release, check electrical fuses and listen for actuator noise before escalating to locksmith or dealer assistance. For vans with rear latches, start by creating safe access to the interior release area through a seat fold or panel removal. Use a long plastic trim tool to reach and actuate the release lever while protecting trim and paint. If the release feels stiff, a small amount of penetrating lubricant on pivot points often restores movement, but avoid overuse and test action repeatedly to confirm a reliable open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.